Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke. Today I'm out car spotting. One of the things that I enjoy doing is car spotting. I've submitted a lot of photos to various magazines. I've had some of them published, mostly in Collectible Automobile Magazine, and so it's just a thing that I love to do. Classic cars are probably one of the coolest things to go car spotting for, and there are just so many out there. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm getting married at the end of the week, so I didn't have time to get a car review done, which I will have a new car review in about 2 weeks. So right now I'm doing this, and then next week I have a video that I've already put together that I'll be posting. And so I hope you enjoy this video. I'd like to thank you for watching the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and I'll see you next time.